Hello and welcome to this video. It's your boy Rahim. In this video I'm going to share how to quit your job first and invest in properties. There's so many people out there working only to be just over broke. Okay, so I'm going to share this secret how you could quit your job quickly and invest in property investment. So the reason why I wanted to do this video is because there was a recent story in the news about America where the government was not able to agree into a budget to pay their staff. So 80% of the staff literally went bankrupt only because they haven't had a paycheck for one single month. It's ridiculous. And you're talking about managers and directors there that are working literally paycheck to paycheck. So that's what the government want us to do, right? They want you to go to school, college, university, get yourself a job and work until you're in your 60s, and then they pay you peanuts in pension, right? So you don't want to live that life. I don't want to live that life. Hence the reason why I'm sharing this golden nugget with you to help you actually quit just over being broke, to be able to quit your job fast and invest in real estate and multiply your real estate investment so you don't have to ever work with someone until you literally die, basically. Okay, great things about being rich: you can literally spend time with your family in the day and times you want to do it. You're able to pay your bills without being worried about the bills. You're able to actually pump gas in your car without being worried how much petrol or diesel cost is, and you will be also be able to spend quality times with the people that really matters to you, and you're able to control your life, basically. You're able to control your life and do whatever you want. Nobody will dictate your life and tell you what you should or you should not do. Hence the reason I'm going to share this golden nugget with you. Please implement it, and you will see how that will change your life. Right? It would be a mind-blowing once you come to learn this simple strategy that you could implement to actually help you quit your job and invest in properties. But before I get going, if you like this video or any of my videos, hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. Let's get to it. Work in the best job possible. Okay, find a job that you like, right? Or an other job, right, to have more income coming in, right? So this is you preparing yourself to actually quit the rat race. Work on those jobs, raise as much money as possible. If you happen to be working extra hours or being an Uber driver or doing an extra job elsewhere, work those couple of years or few months to raise as much money as possible. Okay, work in the best job that you like, that can get you a better return on your investment and add value, right? Add value in those jobs so you can get as many financial reward as possible. And then what you then do once you've got that money, pay yourself first. I've been saying this every single time. Almost most of my videos, I talk about paying yourself first. The reason why I'm saying this is because people are not doing it. People are not doing it. Even if it's 10% of your investment, right, or 10% of your salary, save it and pay yourself first. Always pay yourself first. If you're on £1,500, 10% of that is £150. Put that aside to get you ready to quit your job, right? Because you're not just going to quit your job like that. You have to prepare yourself in a way that you're ready to quit your job so you will never ever have to go back. Okay? And then once you've had extra additional income by working a lot, right? And then obviously then paying yourself first, and then save the money, right? Save it. Don't spend it in expensive cars, expensive trainers, expensive holidays, or buying gifts or presents for family members. I'm not saying don't buy them gifts and presents, but you'll do that once you become a millionaire, right? Or once you become rich. You would always do that once you've quit your job and become successful. Okay, save that money, right? And what you do, if you've got a bad debt, pay your debt, pay all of it, right? Pay it, because if you got a debt, it becomes a snowball effect. The more debt you get, the more interest you pay, the more money you have to refund them back. It becomes a massive debt, gigantic debt, and you will never I'm not saying you will never be able to pay it, but you will struggle to pay it. Basically, you'll be working for your debt. Okay, so pay whatever debt you have, all the bad debt, and then obviously then save whatever is remaining. Number 5, do a side hustle. As I've told you previously, do a side hustle, maybe getting a job elsewhere, a part-time job, or you could have an Uber. You could be an Uber driver, or you could be an Uber Eats somewhere. If you can be an Uber Eat delivery driver. Again, if you're using bicycles, it's even good for your fitness, because you'll be cycling, you'll be exercising and doing all that sort of thing, which is sometimes what you like, if that's what you like. And again, work so hard to get more money that you can put aside. Okay, once you've got that money aside, make an investment. Right, what do I mean by make an investment? Buy yourself a property. Okay, buy yourself a property investment that will generate you passive income. Right, so that means you don't have to work. Let me tell you about the logic by buying a property. If you buy a property investment and you rent it out, you're making about 300 to 400 pounds passive income. You don't have to do anything with that. And guess what? In 2 years, if that property price goes up by 10%, suppose that property is, say, 100,000 pounds property, and then in 2 years' time, property price has gone up by 10%. You've got 10,000 pounds extra, plus all the rent you would have collected during those 2 years. All you need to do is to add on it and buy yourself a house. Buy yourself another investment property. Then you've got 2 properties that are generating you 400 pounds each. That is 800 pounds a month. And guess what? In another 2 years, property prices would have gone up by 10%. So then you've got 20,000 pounds. 10% from the first one, 10% from the other one. That's 20,000 pounds plus the rent you would have collected. You can add that up and go and buy yourself another property. That's how you accumulate wealth, right? That's the strategy you could use to quit your job quicker. Okay, and then number 7, you could start investing that money, right? So what you do, you then rinse and repeat the process. Once you've got one property, you rent it out, get the cash flow, don't spend it in stupid things, save it, and then property price goes up again, you do exactly what I've just said. You then add a bit money and then go and invest it. Okay, and then all the money you get from those investments, basically, it's passive income. You don't have to do anything to get this money. So if you're able to do this in like 4 years, you've got yourself 4 properties. That is 400, 400. You do the maths, right? You're doing over 1,400 or 1,600 would have been 1,600 pounds a month. And guess what? If all those property prices goes up, you are in a better position, and then you can then multiply, replicate, you can even 10x it. Okay, that's a quicker way to quit your job and invest in real estate. And again, what you do, you basically save this money, you don't spend it, you do exactly the same thing again, right? And again, if this sort of strategy or if this sort of thing works for you, or you think it would work, go out there and execute it, right? Don't wait for compliment, right? Don't wait for someone to help you or hold your hand to actually do this or to advise you every day. Why I'm repeating these things is because I want you to take action. I want you to do it because this is what I've been doing. It has changed my life. I want that to change your life as well. So go out there, do what I've just told you, implement it. I guarantee you it will change your life. Okay, so if you're really serious about property investing and you want to take your life to the next level, I am doing a free monthly property investment crash course where you would go and spend a day with me to learn all the recent property investment strategies that are out there that you could take advantage of that would generate you a massive return on investment. Okay, if you're interested, click on the link below. It's completely free to register and attend the course. All I need basically is your commitment on that day to actually listen and participate in the crash course to actually help you learn and understand what needs doing. You also have an opportunity to book a free strategic call with me for completely free for 30 minutes. We can have a conversation about properties. I can give you some hint and tips. And if you ever want me to help you, and again, I'll be at your disposal to actually serve you, to help you scale or start your property journey and make money works for you instead of you working for the money. Again, I would like to invite you to spend a day in my office as a discovery day where we could set a business plan for you, have 2 strategies that we think may be best for you, and then how we could use the resources you have to take advantage of and then invest in properties. If this video make any sense to you, and if you like this video or any of my videos, hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. I really look forward to sharing the next video. Thank you.